Today, we're going to be showing you how to program your Orbit one-outlet hose faucet timer. Orbit timers are the simplest timers to program and use. Let's get started. Programming is done by turning the dial clockwise and following these steps. First, you'll need to set the current time. Turn the dial to Set Clock. Use the plus and minus buttons to select the current time of day. Hold down the buttons to scroll more quickly to the desired time. Pay particular attention to the AM and PM. Once you have set the current time, turn the dial to Start Time. Use the plus and minus buttons to select the time you would like watering to begin. Hold the button down to scroll faster to the desired time. Once you have set the watering start time, turn the dial to How Long. Enter how long you want the timer to water, from 1 to 360 minutes. Use the plus and minus buttons to select your watering duration. Once you have set watering duration, turn the dial to How Often. Finally, you'll want to tell the timer how often to water. This timer allows you to specify the number of hours or days between watering. The timer will water at the next scheduled watering time. For example, if it is noon and you set your timer to water every 4 hours with a start time of 5 a.m., your first watering will be today at 1 p.m. If today is Monday and you set a start time of 5 a.m. with an interval of 3 days, the first watering would be tomorrow at 5 a.m., and then the next watering would be Friday. Please note, if your start time occurs later than the time you complete programming, it will water the same day. For example, if you are programming your timer at noon and your start time is 7 p.m., your timer will water today at 7 p.m. and then again on Thursday. Select intervals from every hour up to every 12 hours, or every day up to every 7th day. Use the plus and minus buttons to select your desired watering frequency. Once you have set how often you would like to water, turn the dial to Auto. Congratulations! Your timer is now programmed. Your scheduled watering will only run when the dial is in the auto position. The timer will flash the next watering time on the screen when the dial is in the auto position. To stop all watering, turn the dial to Off. Your timer has the ability to allow you to manually water without disturbing the preset program. This can be very useful if it is extremely hot, you notice a dry spot, and your lawn or plants need a little extra water, or if you want to use your hose. To use this feature, simply press the manual button while the dial is turned to auto. When you first press the manual button, the timer will display 10 minutes automatically, the default watering duration. Using the plus and minus buttons, you can select watering times from 1 to 360 minutes. Once watering has finished, the timer will automatically resume your programmed watering schedule. Note that if the manual button is pushed and no selection is made within 5 seconds, the timer will water for 10 minutes. To stop manual watering at any time, press the Clear button. Rain delay allows you to delay your timer from watering for a set period of time. This feature is useful if you have gotten a lot of rain or if you notice your plants are too wet. To access the rain delay feature, press the Delay button with the dial turned to Auto. Select to delay anywhere from 1 day up to 7 days. After the set period of time, the timer will resume the scheduled program. To manually remove rain delay, press the Clear button. Maintenance and winterizing are important and will prolong the life of your hose faucet timer. When freezing temperatures are expected, timers should be removed from the hose faucet and stored indoors above freezing temperatures to avoid potential freeze damage. The inlet filter traps dirt particles from entering the timer. Clean the filter regularly and replace if it's worn. Now sit back and relax and let your Orbit hose faucet timer take over your watering for you.